Hi, I'm Cheri Ruskus and welcome to our YouTube channel. And also welcome here to my garden just outside of Boulder, Colorado. Up above you see the hashtag Grow You, and that's the whole idea of this channel, is about growing you. Whether it's giving you motivation, positivity, garden ideas, creativity ideas, and for those entrepreneurs that are in the room, I am an entrepreneur from way back when. Back in my 20s, I started my first business. I sold that business after 16 years. I became a business coach. I have facilitated masterminds for many, many years called the Victory Circles, and just love empowering people. That's what I do. And I love to grow plants. I'm a little addicted to gardening, I have to tell you. I have two pooches, Abby and Luna. They will be joining us from time to time. My husband Ed, who's recently retired, will be behind the camera from time to time, and maybe even in front of the camera if I can talk him into it. But I hope you enjoy what we have to share with you. We have the Bright Shiny Object Project podcast that comes out every other Friday, and that'll be here for you to view with some great guests. We've already got some that are already here on the page, and we'll just keep adding that as we go. But I'm excited to be here with you. I'm excited to be on YouTube. I've been here for a while, but I have not been fully here, and now we are fully here. We are here and ready to give you great content. So welcome aboard. Thanks for being here, and I so look forward to sharing much more with you. Take really good care.